graph in Tableau. We begin with importing .xlsx data, that is Microsoft Excel data, into Tableau using Microsoft Excel option. So here is the dataset we are importing. And here is the sheet that we'll use. Now we'll start with the data visualization. So we choose country dimension in column and matches played measure in rows. So we are basically plotting a graph between country and matches played. So here we get a bar graph. We can name the bar graph. We can name this sheet as a bar graph. So we can add marks in it, filters in it, or more pages in it as per user's choice. So finally the bar graph is made. Thank you.